We've got our first 2022 Tundra in the shop. We're gonna be changing the look a little bit with a leveling kit, wheels and tires. We're gonna show you what we do and how it transforms the look of this brand new Tundra. The truck behind me is a 2022 Tundra, and we are always excited when we get the first of a new generation in the shop. The truck's in for some simple work, just a very simple 1.75" leveling kit from Rough Country, along with some really neat wheels and tires. One reason we like to get these new trucks in the shop is to see what changes Toyota made from the last generation. The previous Tundra started being manufactured in 2007 and continued the whole way up until 2021. And so this thing is brand new. We're gonna get it together, get it on the alignment rack, and then show it to you when it's all done. I am pumped to see this thing finished and complete. Our first 2022 Tundra in the books. This truck is beautiful and it's gone under a lot of cosmetic changes. Of course, we did the leveling kit, wheels and tires, but it also was completely wrapped. This truck was originally gloss black and he had it wrapped by InShane Designs in this matte gold, which goes really well with the wheels that we've chosen. This truck is a 1794 edition, so it is loaded inside. We're gonna show you a couple pans of that. But the interior in this thing is nicer than my living room. One thing that's kind of unique, when we put the struts in after the leveling kit was installed, the strut mounting plate is the exact same bolt pattern. So the leveling kits for these trucks are very, very similar to the old trucks. These new trucks have air ride in them. So you can get them with either air or with coil springs. They get rid of the old tried and true leaf springs, but this system makes for a level, comfortable ride that articulates and gives you traction all the time. So it's cool to see control arms, airbags, track bar, all that stuff in the back of the Tundra. Let's head over here and talk about wheels and tires for a little bit. We've got the Fuel Rebel 6. This is new for the Tundra as well. The old Tundras were 5 on 150. These are 6 on 5.5, which shares the same bolt pattern as many of the old Toyota trucks and Chevy and Dodge in the past. So it's a 6 on 5.5, that is new. We did an 18x9 wheel in bronze, and this is a 295 70/18. We chose to go with the Falken Wild Peak AT3. This is a really popular tire for us because it's got a lot of siping, it's relatively quiet, and provides awesome traction in snow and wet weather. This tire actually has received the Triple Mountain Peak Snowflake rating. It's an independent rating that is on tires that do well in snow and wet weather. So this thing is an all-star there. So here it is, we've got the truck all wrapped up, and I think the thing looks absolutely awesome. A few things that we had to do once we got the wheels and tires on. There was a little bit of trimming that had to happen here in the front and the back of the wheel wells. Not as much trimming, but just moving this felt liner to open up that wheel well because the wheel did rub there. I do think if we got these wheels in a plus 18, which would move it in maybe 3/4 of an inch, it would be a little bit less likely to rub. But the customer wanted just a little bit of poke sticking out the side, so that's why we chose to go with the +1. The truck looks killer. The front of the truck is slightly higher than the back, so if you want a perfectly level truck or a slightly tail high truck, Then you're gonna want some ride height links in the back just to level that out perfectly. But I absolutely love the stance, the color, everything that we did to this truck. If you like this video, please like it and also subscribe to our channel. There's a ton of cool things that we post on Instagram and Facebook. Check out Stories and Reels, and we're gonna start TikTok here soon, so follow us there too. Thanks for watching, see you later.